In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Relevance AI. This platform offers a seamless workflow to manage and analyze your data, allowing you to tap into various tools to maximize efficiency. Let's begin our journey through the Relevance AI interface by heading over to their website. Go to the Relevance AI homepage and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you will immediately see the vibrant and intuitive dashboard that serves as the gateway to all the platform's capabilities. Starting with the marketplace, this is your one-stop for exploring various AI models and tools that you can integrate into your projects. It offers a wide selection of resources tailored to cater to diverse needs, whether you're looking to enhance your chatbot capabilities or perform advanced data analysis. Be sure to explore this section thoroughly to understand what tools could best serve your specific requirements. Next, let's move over to the chat section. Here you can see and manage all chat interactions with your AI. This is particularly useful if your focus is on conversational AI, enabling you to fine-tune conversations, analyze interactions, and ensure your AI is performing at its peak. After exploring the chat section, click on Tasks. This feature is incredibly useful in keeping track of all ongoing, pending, and completed tasks at a glance. Whether you're running multiple projects or just a few, managing tasks efficiently is crucial, and Relevance AI makes it easy to do just that. The next stop is Agents. Here you can manage your AI agents, allowing you to customize behaviors and parameters to suit various scenarios. This flexibility ensures your agents operate in line with your specific project goals, enhancing overall workflow productivity. Now let's check out the Tools section. This area provides access to various utilities that support data handling and processing. It's the perfect section to explore when you're looking to solve specific problems or want to experiment with new datasets. The Workforce feature is next, designed to help you manage team collaborations effortlessly. From adding new team members to assigning roles, this section provides all the tools you need for smooth teamwork. Delve into the knowledge area to access resources that help in understanding and leveraging the various analytics, machine learning models, and other functionalities Relevance AI provides. It's a fantastic resource for boosting your expertise. If you're looking for more, head over to the More section where you can access additional features and tools that might just have what you need to further tailor the AI solutions to your needs. Now let's click on Analytics. This part of the platform is pivotal for monitoring and understanding the performance of your projects. Carefully analyze data trends, derive insights, and make informed decisions to drive your goals forward. Integrations and API keys provide seamless connectivity with third-party applications, making Relevance AI a versatile platform that can fit into your existing tech ecosystem, boosting its capabilities. Heading to the Settings section, you can customize how Relevance AI interacts with your data and projects. Ensure your preferences are set to optimize your experience on the platform. The Community feature allows you to connect with other users, share insights, and learn from shared experiences, fostering a collaborative environment that benefits everyone. Finally, if you're in need of assistance, the Ask for Help section is where to turn. Whether you have a technical question or need guidance on using a specific feature, support is readily available. Don't forget to review your plans. Here you can see the subscription options available, ensuring that your resource usage and access match your project's needs. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to harness the full potential of Relevance AI, transforming your data journey into a streamlined and productive experience. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you find success with Relevance AI.